Hello, did you find some shiny things to play Kim's game? This time we're going to explore something else that's shiny, which is mirrors. They reflect, don't they? So the light bounces off the mirror to reflect what's there. I've got this big mirror that my friend made me with lovely patterns around the outside. You look at your reflection in a mirror, don't you? Let's see, what else? I found this very old mirror, used to belong to my granny. And this is a special mirror for looking at what's behind you, can reflect behind you. So if you look in one mirror and you hold this one up behind, it helps you see what's at the back of your head. So I can see that my hair has got quite long, the back of my head, with that mirror. So I'm using two mirrors at the same time. I've also got a little tiny mirror for travelling. If I go away and I want to check my look in the mirror, I have a little peek in that one. Can keep that in my handbag. Wonder if you've got any mirrors in your house. Don't forget to ask grown-ups before you use them, because sometimes they can be quite heavy. And this is a little jewellery box. Hasn't got anything in it, but it's shiny all the way round. It's got mirror glass all the way round. Now, I'm wondering if we can do some tricks with mirrors. What you're going to need is some paper and a mirror that you can hold up like this. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture on my paper and then I'm going to move the mirror. Okay. If I do something, you should see it starting to appear in the mirror at the same time. Start there, and you see that black line, curly line. It's on my paper, but it's also in the mirror. Let's see if I can make that a bit darker. See how that works. Right. Now, you can see it here on the paper and here in the mirror. It's being reflected. But the trick is if I move the mirror across the paper, my wiggly line should start to disappear. Get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller until it's disappeared. Let's see if I can bring it back again. Here we go. Here it comes. Back again like that. So you can play little tricks with mirrors. You can also do mirror writing. Have a look in my mirror and see if I can write on the paper at the same time. It's a bit tricky, but if you look in the mirror, you'll see that your writing looks backwards. So I'm writing my name, Becky, but when I look in the mirror, it goes the other way. So lots of fun with mirror tricks. When we move the mirror, we're making the line on paper move. It's called the line of symmetry. So you can see that in the mirror and on the paper, both those things look the same but reflected, opposite. So they look symmetrical. And the line of symmetry is where that mirror makes things look the same on each side, where it sort of cuts them in half. So let's have a little go and see if we can make our own symmetrical picture. You can just use a piece of paper, fold it over to make your own middle line or line of symmetry down the middle. And then have a go drawing exactly the same on each side of the line. So you start on one side. Did you see that zigzag I did? There you go. Start on one side. Now you need to see if you can do it exactly the same on the other side. Quite tricky, but it's very good fun. There, almost. If I put a dot on this side, wonder where I'm going to need to put the dot on the other side, as if I was looking in the mirror. That's right, over there. You have a go with some mirror tricks and mirror fun. And I'll see you later to make a shiny mobile.